What are we doing today?
Going to Alaska.
How are we going to get there?
Flying on an airplane.
Have you flown on an airplane before?
No.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mommy?
How excited are you?
So excited.
Okay.
Mommy. We saw a lot of Alaska planes.
Did you?
Oh, Mommy.
Where are we, Austin?
At the airport on the runway. Look at one came in for landing. One did come in for landing. They were on the road. That we were definitely on the road. Those cars better be careful to watch out for this plane.
Alpha for number 1 for departure. We should be airborne momentarily. Flight attendant should not be seated for takeoff.
Why we're on the runway?
We are on the runway.
Can see? Look how we're next to the street.
That's the runway.
I mean, that's the runway? Over there?
Yep.
Over there? Oh. Hey, I'm holding on to my armrest so I don't fling off my buckle. Daddy, that means that we were about to blast off. Because we was moving. Daddy, I saw the worst part of the wing blow up with the... And I saw the pulse of the engine. I saw the pulse of the engine. Dad, we were turning. We were on the road.
You ready, Austin?
Yes, sir. I'm ready. looks